Hi class, welcome to my channel Commerce Concepts. In this video, we are going to learn how to calculate PV ratio, break-even point, fixed cost and margin of safety. Okay, so we are going to calculate these 4 points with the help of this problem. Problem is given like this. The problem is given like this. Okay, year 2019, sales 2,70,000, profit 6,000. Year 2020, sales 3 lakhs, profit 15,000. From the above data, you are required to calculate PV ratio, break-even point, margin of safety at a profit of rupees 24,000. So this is the problem. So now we are going to learn how to calculate these three things. First of all, we have to write formula PV ratio. PV ratio formula, change in profit by change in sales. Change in profit by change in sales. Change in sales. But in the previous video, we have learned PV ratio formula like this: contribution by sales into 100. In the previous video, we have learned the formula like PV ratio is contribution by sales into 100. If the formula, if the sum is given like this, when 2 years data is given, then you have to change the formula in this way, that is change in profit and change in sales. If sum is given simply like 1 year detail information, you have to use this formula. If 2 years information is given, so you have to use this formula. Okay, simple funda. Have you understand that? Okay, now we are going to calculate PV ratio. Change in profit. What's the profit of first year? That is 2019. The profit is 6,000 and 2020 profit is 15,000. How much change is there? That is 9,000. Change in sales. Sales in 2019 2,70,000 and to 2020 3 lakhs. Change in sales is 30,000. Difference. Change in sales is 30,000 into 100. So just calculate 9,000 divided by 30,000 into 100. That is 30%. Okay, 30%, or we can write 0.30. So this is the way we have to calculate PV ratio. Change in profit by change in sales into 100. Change in profit by change in sales into 100. When we have to use this formula? When 2 years information is given. If 1 year information is given like sales, variable cost, fixed cost, like only 1 year information is given in the problem, then you have to use this formula, contribution by sales into 100. Okay, clear? Now next point, that is break even point. Before that we have to calculate fixed cost first. Fixed cost, we have to calculate fixed cost. Okay, fixed cost formula, sales into PV ratio, sales into PV ratio minus sales into PV ratio minus profit. Okay, sales, you can take any sales. For 2019 sales you can take, or 2020 sales you can take any sales. So I am taking 2019, that is 2,70,000 into PV ratio 0.30 minus profit. If I select sales for 2019, you have to take the profit also from 2019. Okay, if you take the sales of 2020, you have to take profit also 2020 profit. Okay, so 2019 profit is 6,000. 2,70,000 into 2,70,000 into 0.30, so you will get 81,000. From 81,000 deduct 6,000, then we will get 75,000. That is fixed cost. Okay, we have to calculate the fixed cost next. Break even point. Now we have to calculate break even point. The formula of break even point is break even point formula: fixed cost by PV ratio. Fixed cost, already we find fixed cost, that is 75,000, PV ratio 0.30. 75,000 divided by 0.30, that is 2,50,000 rupees is break even point. Clear? So BEP formula is fixed cost by PV ratio. Fixed cost already we find 75,000. So 75,000 by 0.30, that is PV ratio. Okay. So fourth point is margin of safety at a profit of rupees 24,000. Margin of safety at a profit of rupees 24,000. So margin of safety formula: profit by PV ratio. Profit by PV ratio. Profit is, we have to calculate margin of safety at a profit of rupees 24,000. So 24,000 by 0.30. So 24,000 divided by 24,000 divided by, that is, you will get 80,000 rupees. That is margin of safety. Clear? So how to calculate PV ratio? We have to calculate PV ratio with the help of a formula, that is change in profit by change in sales into 100. Change in profit means, the problem is given like this, that is profit of 2019 and profit of 2020. The change in profit, that is 15,000 minus 6,000, that is 9,000. Change in sales 30,000. Okay, so we will get PV ratio 0.30. Next we have to find out fixed cost. We can take any of the year, the 2019 sales we can take, or 2020. We will get the same answer. Okay, just I'm going to show you with the help. I'm taking 2020 also. Here I take 2019 now. So here I will take 2020. We will get the same answer. Just check it once. If I'll take 2020 sales, so what is the formula of fixed cost? Fixed cost formula: sales into PV ratio minus profit. Okay, here I calculated fixed cost on the basis of 2019 information. Okay, here I will take 2020 sales. 2020 sales is 3 lakhs. So 3 lakhs into 0.30. So profit is 15,000. Calculate it. 3 lakhs into 3.0, that is 90,000 minus 15,000. So you will get 75,000 fixed cost. Is it clear? Here also we got 75,000. If we take the sales for 2019, we get 75,000. If we take the sales for 2020, also we get 75,000. So is it clear? We can take sales from any of the year. Okay, so this is the problem: how to calculate PV ratio, fixed cost, break even point, and margin of safety. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my channel.